Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is super duper interesting. It's a healthy tea cake and I'm sure you're going to love this one. The frosting is also healthy. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, we are going to make our frosting. So I've taken 3/4 cup of cashews. Then I've taken 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a mixer jar, adding in 1 teaspoon of stevia and 4 drops of vanilla essence and 1/8 cup of water, just a splash of water, and we are going to blend it all. So it's a very easy peasy frosting recipe, healthy also, vegan at the same time, but it goes really well with the cake. Then I'm going to refrigerate this for around an hour or so. I mean, till the time our cake will get done, we'll just refrigerate it so that it gets some time to set. Now we are going to make our flax egg. So I've taken 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder and 1/4 cup of water, mixed it together, and then we are going to keep it aside for 20-30 minutes, and then our egg will be ready. Now grating 2 medium-sized apples in a bowl. So this is basically an apple cake, oats and apple cake. Now I'm adding in 1 cup of rolled oats. So the oats that I've used are by this brand called True Elements, and their quality is really good. Now adding in 1/4 cup of wheat flour to it, and now I'm going to soak some dates. Around 20 dates I've taken, so you can see for yourself how much sweet you like, so according to that you can add your dates. So I've taken 20 dates and I've added some warm water, then soaked it for around 20 minutes. Later on I'm deseeding them, and then I'm going to make a paste with them, and then I'll add this paste. So this will act as a sweetener, and dates, as you know I use a lot of dates in my recipes. This gives a really good taste, like a very dark, gooey, delicious taste to the cake as well. So I really prefer it more than any other sweetener. Now adding in our flax egg that we had made, and 1/4 cup of coconut oil, adding in 1/4 cup of chopped dry fruits and some black raisins, adding in 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, a pinch of salt, 3/4 drops of vanilla essence, and we are going to just mix it together. Now just let it rest for around 10 minutes. Till that time, just grease your cake tin. So I'm greasing it with coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and dusting it with wheat flour. Now when we are about to bake, then we'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then we are going to just mix it. Now transferring it to the cake tin, and I'm going to level it up. Now in a preheated big utensil, you can use any utensil, I'm using a kadhai, preheat for 10 minutes, and then keep your cake for 60 minutes, let it cook properly. Don't check it again and again in between. Now checking it with the help of a toothpick. Once it's done, just let it cool down completely, and then take it out. Then add your frosting. So I am using a paint knife, oil painting knife. You can use a proper knife and properly do your frosting. I'm really sorry for this step, but anyway, you can do it nicely, not like this, but it tasted really good. That is what matters. So yeah, please make this cake and let me know your feedback. Decorate it however you want to. It's good, it's delicious. My sister personally loved it, and she said that it was the best tea cake she ever had. So yeah, please do try and let me know. I'm just adding some pomegranate on top and some pistachios. You can use anything you want. Also, if you like this recipe, after you make it. Okay, please try it and then let me know your feedback, like your honest feedback. And if you really like it, please share it with your loved ones, because it really helps me grow. Like, share and subscribe if you like my work. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned for more such recipes. Till then, take care. Happy baking. Bye bye. How to use the banana peel. So yeah,